Are you ready to enhance your privacy and effortlessly manage your social media, e-commerce, and ad accounts? Discover the game-changing Antidetect browser. Dive into the Antidetect revolution of 2024. Join me as I uncover the leading Antidetect browsers that dominate the scene. It's completely free. First in the line is multi-login, the gold standard for serious account management. It's your go-to solution for creating custom browser profiles and combating fingerprinting with style. But wait, there is more. Explore GoLogin's innovative approach, its own browser and unique fingerprint tricks that challenge the status quo. Enter the world of Incognito, a top-tier anti-detect tool that bridges the gap between multi-login and GoLogin. Discover its unmatched flexibility and cross-browser compatibility. Seeking an anti-detect browser for e-commerce and social media? AdsPower's got you covered with its user-friendly interface and powerful automation features. Join the new generation of anti-detect browsers with Dolphin. Explore its generous free plan, advanced features, and seamless compatibility with Windows and macOS. Don't forget about proxies. All browsers above stream with Astra proxies. Find out how this water combo maximizes your privacy. Dive deeper into securing your online journey by checking out how to set a proxy playlist. Your best of privacy starts here. See you there.